Tonight, Wednesday, February 20th, 2019, from 5:30 to 6:30, Clackamas Middle College will be hosting an open house. Yeah. Okay, I was allowed. They're inviting all families
who have students interested in enrolling in Clackamas Middle College next year.
Yeah! The evening will include an introduction to the CMC staff
And an overview of the program along with a question and answer period to better understand their college transition programs for high school students.
In addition, Schellenberg will also be hosting an open house on Monday, February 25th, 2019 from 5 to 7. Hey Annalise.
Hi Sarah.
Where will this event take place?
The event will take place at Schellenberg campus. Hey Sarah. What? Don't miss this exciting opportunity to learn how students can access the center,
View the student project demonstrations, and explore the many different programs.
So if you're an 8th grader, like us,
We're in 8th grade.
we're going to high school next year.
Like High School Musical?
Yeah.
And you're curious about all of your options for next year? Check out these 2 amazing options. Peace.